All right, everyone, I'm back. So that's gonna be the introduction of the material of the class, basically like syllabus type of things. Okay, as you can see now, the first video you just watched is right here now on the front page in the announcement. This is very important. This is where you need to get all your info. I will post tons of stuff right here. Okay, now you have the course home after that. Because if you have an announcement, if you have a task, anything that I'm going to send. After that, course informations with the syllabus right here. The class timeline, which we are going to look real soon. Project and test due dates, so everything you need to know about your project and your due dates for test. Simple, clear, straight up to the point. And GIT projects and tests possible points, because I know you want to know how much you're gonna be getting, how much you can get actually. So after that you have the week by week. In the week by week right there you can see everything we are doing. All right, in 16 weeks we are going to cover a lot. We are going to cover pretty much everything you need to know beside weapons. I just couldn't place it, no time for that. But I think because we're doing a character, that's just, I mean, it's harder anyway. But it's different. You have to remember there's two types of surfaces in reality, hard surfaces and soft tissue. All right, it's very, very different. The only real hard surfaces we are going to do are going to be the leaf, because of the trickery, and also building houses and stuff like that. Those that will be hard surfaces for sure. So what we do, we're gonna start with Maya obviously, and the first 2 weeks are gonna be based on the Maya user interface, basically, and learning how to box model, how to model, very simply by doing tree and bushes. Okay, so a lot of work, you guys, all the way to the 22nd. Okay, I give you a week and a half on that one because we start in the middle. Okay, after we model the tree and the bushes, we are gonna basically texture them by unwrapping them. We have 1 week for unwrapping them, and it's fairly easy on that one. But I want to make sure I go through how you actually do it. It's very specific in video games. And then after that, we're gonna texture those tree and bushes using Photoshop. Okay. After that, we are gonna create buildings and houses using a technique that I call a shake and bake, that I used in a movie very long time ago, but that works perfect for video game because of the what you need technically. Okay, and we're gonna texture it because that technique model and texture at the same time. Okay, and we'll do a little bit of review. Okay, you'll review for your midterm. Your midterm is coming on the week 6. All right, just so we ask the basic about modeling and texturing, simple stuff. Okay, you guys. Then because your spring break is really far away, okay, too close to have a midterm, too far away, I mean, to have a midterm. Okay, and then after that, that's really the second part of the semester where we'll get to a soft tissue modeling only, which is we're gonna start with a character torso, right, and then the hands and arms of a character, and then the legs and feet modeling of that character, and then we'll end up by the head modeling, okay, which is not as hard as you think it would. Okay, it's actually a lot easier than you think. I have a really cool technique for that, not created by me on that one, by someone else that is awesome. Okay, that I've been using for years. Then you'll have spring break. Yeah, a little late, but that's like that because we finished earlier this year. We started earlier. And then we're gonna basically texture the character. We're gonna start by unwrapping that character, UV mapping unwrapping, and 0 to 1. And we're gonna torso texture it after that in Photoshop, after it's unwrapped, and then we're gonna do the arm, hands, legs texturing, and feet, and then we're gonna do a head texturing. That's pretty much it. And then you have your final test. Okay, it's very important that you go to the next video I'll tell you, so make sure you watch the next